Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Firstly, we can use the button in the quick access panel. Swipe down from the very top of the screen twice to view all of the buttons and look for the Bluetooth option. Tap on the button to be able to turn on or turn off Bluetooth. You should be able to pair a new device from here when it is turned on. If you don't see the Bluetooth button, look through each of the pages, and if you still don't see it, use the Add button to add Bluetooth to the quick access panel. We can also enable Bluetooth within the Settings app. Open this and then look for a Connections option. Tap on this, then either tap on Bluetooth or choose another connection option to find it. You can then use the toggle switch to turn it on and add devices. If you couldn't find the Bluetooth page, head back to the home page of the settings and use the search box and type in Bluetooth to get to it. That's how to turn on Bluetooth on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.